This Evo version is more practical and affordable. 99,999 rupees, 180 km range and faster than your petrol bike?
Bro, either this is the future or Oben just hacked the system.
Welcome back to Turbo Torque Media.
Today we are reviewing the brand new Oben Rorr Evo 2026, the bike that's making petrol bikes nervous and your wallet happy.
So first, let's talk about the shocker. Price. Oben launched this beast on 30 April 2026, and guess what? Introductory price is just 99,999.
After the first batch, boom, price goes up to around 1.25 lakh.
Bookings? Only 777 rupees, cheaper than your weekend pizza. Now performance, because looks don't matter if bike is slow, like your friend's Wi-Fi. This bike gets a 9 kW motor, 0 to 40 km/h in just 3 seconds, and top speed of 110 km/h. And here comes the biggest flex, 180 km range. Yes, not 80, not 100, full 180 km IDC range. Charging to 80% in just 90 minutes. Full charge around 5 hours.
Basically, charge while watching Netflix, ride all day.
Now let's talk design. This is not your typical boring electric scooter. Street Fighter looks, aggressive stance, sharp body panels. This thing looks like it drinks protein shakes. Projector headlamp with DRL, and honestly, it looks like a 200cc bike. Yes, bikes also have interior now. Welcome to 2026. You get a fully digital TFT display, navigation, call alerts, riding modes, eco, city, havoc of it.
And wait, AI feature. Smart IQ adjust your ride for better range automatically.
Now compared to the older Oben Rorr, this Evo version is more practical and affordable.
Old Rorr was more premium and expensive, but this one, same performance feel, much cheaper. Basically, same swag, less money.
So final question, should you buy it?
If you want low running cost, modern tech, and to flex silently at signals, this might be the best EV bike right now.
But if you love engine sound, bro, use speakers.
Like, share, subscribe, Turbo Torque Media, where we review cars and bikes with torque and entertainment.